friends, let's go to Dinosaur Park in Dubai. It's located in this Zabeel Park in Dubai. In Zabeel Park we can see Glow Garden, Dinosaur Park and Magic Park. And Art Park is also there, but Art Park and Glow Garden is combinedly. So first let's see the Dinosaur Park. In the next coming videos I will post the Glow Garden and also the Magic Park. Okay, so we can get best deal for these all together, like combo ticket we can get around 85 dirhams for all the 4 parks. Otherwise if you want to go single park like that, it cost around 50-55 dirhams for each park. So better to go and buy the combo ticket, and we can get those tickets in online through Great Deals, Coupon, Groupon, and many websites are there for these offers. Whatever you want to go, just check in those websites and you can get the best offer. Also, one of the most important attraction in Dubai Mall is VRPark. Right now offer is going on for 45 dirhams. You can play 7 games or you can experience 7 games, 7 rides, and that offer is in Great Deals. That already I posted that VRPark video in my channel. I'll post that link in description box also. Now let's see the Dinosaur Park. And also we cover all these 4 parks we reached there around 4:30 p.m. like that, and we came back by 7:30. I mean almost in 2 to 3 hours we can cover all the parks. The most time we can spend is Magic Park. We can take nice photos in Magic Park. It's like a trick eye museum in Singapore. Okay, now let's see the Dinosaur Park. Here almost all kinds of dinosaurs are available along with motion. I mean the dinosaurs are moving and making sounds like that, and for every dinosaur they mention the name and their characteristics. Okay, you can watch these also. Almost I tried to cover each and every dinosaur along with its name. So let's see and enjoy.